Congratulations! You have reached a milestone in your theory class. You have now learned to write all of the one-syllable words. And we're now going to focus our lessons on the rules for writing multisyllable words. Rule number 1. The first syllable is written exactly how it sounds and how you've learned up to this point. Rule 2. Middle and ending strokes will have the short vowel sound left out before a final side consonant. Let's look at some examples. The word painter would be written P, long A, N, T, because the first stroke is written just the way you've already learned. And then the second stroke sounds like That would usually be U, final R. But our rule is to leave out the short vowel sound before a final side consonant, so the second stroke will just be final R. The word panic would be written P-A-N because the first stroke is written just the way it always has been, and the second stroke is written final K because we drop the short vowel sound before a final side consonant. Rule 3. If a word contains a doubled consonant, we only write that sound once. The word butter would be written B-U-T, and then we don't write the second T, and the second stroke with the sound is just final R because we leave out the short vowel before a final side consonant. Why do we need to do this? Because when the software sees a final side consonant with no vowel in front of it, it knows to attach those sounds together. So instead of getting pan-ic, we get panic. And instead of getting but-ter, we get butter. This applies to words with more than 2 syllables as well. The word hospital could be written H-A-U-S or H-O-S in the first stroke, initial P, final T in the second stroke, because we leave out the short vowel before the final side consonant, and a third stroke of final L, again leaving out the short vowel before the final side consonant. Because we write what we hear, multisyllable words can sometimes have more than one correct way to write them. If you hear hospital, then you could write it as H-A-U-S, second stroke P-I, or P-U, depending on how you hear it. Third stroke, initial T, final L, because we leave out the short vowel before a final side consonant. Wait, why does that middle stroke have a short vowel in it, you ask? Good question. Remember that the rule for dropping the short vowel sound is when it comes before a final side consonant. Here, the short vowel sound comes after the consonant sound, and there is no final side consonant in that stroke. How would you write bottom in steno? First stroke, B-A-U-T or B-O-T, depending on how you write your short O. Second stroke, final M, because we drop the short vowel before a final side consonant, and we do not double the T.